I went through Sarah clothes to sort everything out to see what I'm gonna carry, to plan out her outfits. And I think I'm getting somewhere. I think I plan our outfits for the cold. And because we're going to two different countries, going to a hot country and a cold country.
Hi guys, good morning everybody. It's Tuesday morning. Just wake up. I just wanted to show you the morning routine, so to make it easier for baby every morning. My routine in the morning is to make Tyler breakfast. So I'm just gonna show you what Tyler used to get for breakfast. So that's his favorite one. That is chocolate milk. Let me see if I can open it safely. Whoops. Right, that's chocolate milk. I just warm it a little bit for Tyler every morning. And this is toast. So normally you get 4 of these toast every morning, chocolate on top of it. But since a couple of days he requested jam, so I didn't want it to make full jam. 4 jams just in case you don't like it. Because sometimes, you know, kids, they request something but they don't like it, so I make 2 and 2. So yeah, I'm gonna put that on the table. I'm gonna turn on the TV on his favorite channel, and that's what I used to do every morning. So when you wake up, sometimes you wake up very early, and you can, you know, just go in the living room, get his breakfast, watch a bit TV before babe wake up and make him ready to go to school. So yeah, that's the morning routine. Well, everybody have his own different routine, so I don't know what other kids eat on morning. Some kids don't eat, and I guess some kids eat a lot. I don't know. So yeah, you can share eventually the morning routine you have with your kids. So yeah, I wish all of you a good day. I'm gonna get ready to go to work matter now. So yeah, have a good day, enjoy today's vlog, and I'll see you guys tonight probably. Bye.
That's it. Stop putting your hand and your finger in your mouth.
Hi Fibs, good morning, good afternoon and good night. You guys, I'm up doing my morning routine.
No.
Getting my babies ready for the road. Tyler's already ready for school. Putting on a pajama and Sarah because it's a little bit chilly in the morning. But once it reached 9 o'clock, that chill is gone. So we're all up. Babe told me he vlogged this morning, so you guys should get an introduction to today's vlog of breakfast. Today is a staying at home day for me. Finally one day I'll be home, not going on the road for something or the other. So today I'll be definitely getting some packing done.
You're going to l'hôpital ou Jamaican?
Today?
Yes.
No, I'm not going to the hospital until Thursday.
What's Thursday?
Thursday I'm taking your sister to the doctor. She's gonna get an injection.
You're going to take the tram
Yeah.
to go to Jamaican or l'hôpital?
I'm gonna take the tram to Delaveaus Hospital.
Okay. Please after Papa.
Yes.
When you
My boy know all the tram stops along the tram line. Can you guys believe that? And he knows where everything is. He's something else.
Mama,
Yes, Di.
when one day we are going to
Sarah, say morning to the babes. Say morning, babes. Morning, babes.
when we are going somewhere in
We're all dressed and heading out to drop my pumpkin to school. Come tell the face bye bye.
Bye bye.
Alright,
Auntie Patty.
don't pull her like that, Tyler. Let her go.
I love you, Auntie Patty. Auntie Patty.
Kiss her on her forehead.
I love you, baby sister.
Alright, go. You guys, I dropped my boy to school. My baby girl is sleeping. There she is. Let me see if you guys can see her. She's sleeping. And while she's sleeping, I take the opportunity to make myself some breakfast. And it's bringing back so much memories. When you guys see this plate, I know you guys know. If you guys are not new to the channel, you guys know that when I was pregnant with Sarah, all I had for breakfast in the morning was green fried pressed plantain and eggs. And this morning making that just bring back so many memories, so much memories. I'm gonna have breakfast right now, and I know Sarah will still be sleeping by the time I finish, because normally this is when she take her 2-3 hour morning nap. So I'm gonna have breakfast and I'm gonna start packing her things first, because she's going to have the most fandangles out of everybody. I'm gonna do the hardest one first, and then I'm gonna do Tyler, then me, then Babe stay for last, because Babe is the least fussy of everybody. So I'm gonna pack the kids first, and then let's see how many suitcases I can get in today. But I hope whatever you guys are having for breakfast is as yummy and is as satisfying as my plate. I'd rather a cheese patty though, but that's okay, no worries. You guys, look at my packing mess. My baby girl is falling asleep. You guys, this packing, I can't finish sorting Sarah's clothes. I went through Sarah's clothes to sort everything out, to see what I'm gonna carry, to plan out her outfits, and I think I'm getting somewhere. I think I plan our outfits for the cold, and because we're going to two different countries, going to a hot country and a cold country, so I have to plan her outfits for the cold. So when you guys watching Monday's vlog, the vlog that will fall after this vlog, you guys will know where we're going. Sarah is smiling. So, and can I tell you guys that I think Sarah is teething? Am I crazy for thinking that she's teething? I'm seeing so much symptoms of teething in this girl already. It just feels crazy. She's gonna have a long teething period, I think. She even started have this red thing on her both cheek. She just wake up yesterday morning and her cheeks are red. And yesterday in the day, not yesterday, Sunday, she was crying and biting on everything that she could. Biting on my hand and give her something cold, and she was just going in on it. And then yesterday, which was Monday, she wake up and she have these two red thing on her cheek, and when I read up about it, it says that it's signs of teething. So I really think that's what's going on with her. However, she have the doctor in 2 days, so I'll get a better insight. But she's not having any fever, her baby is not changing, she's still smiling and everything. So yeah, packing is going down for Sarah. Still on Sarah. Sarah packing will take me like the next 2 hours max to get everything in her suitcase. So yeah, she's here just looking at me, taking me in. You guys wanna see her face? She's just looking at me. Hi, fat cheeks. So I tell Babe and Tyler, no more kissing on Sarah's cheek until we know for sure what's going on. Let me show you guys her. Hi, fat cheeks. And she wants to sleep. Or when she hears smiling with me. Let them see you. You guys see that red mark on her cheek? Look at her cheek. It's red like she have on makeup. Both of the cheeks. What's wrong with my baby? So yeah, I think that's signs of teething. But I'll take her to the doctor and see what's going on. Oh, she's tired. She wanna sleep. Alright, mama, sleep. And I'm gonna go back to all this packing, y'all. All this packing. You guys, oh my god, I wouldn't even begin to start telling you guys how exhausted I am from packing all of this. Sarah suitcase, Tyler suitcase. Yes, the size of Tyler things can fall and cram in one, but Sarah have so many little fandangles, they have to go in this big one. So now I've accomplished majority of Tyler's, majority of Sarah. Now I'm going to see if I can move on to mine, which is a little bit more complicated. This baby's the easiest, so he can stay for last. And it's after 3 p.m, so I'm not doing too bad. Sarah is sleeping. With her fancy off. But chubby girl. Anyway, you guys, let's continue. My gosh, you guys, this is real life. This is real. If you guys ever see my kitchen right now, you'll think this is not me, but hey, this is real life. I have 15 minutes before I go and pick Tyler up from school. I'm still packing, you guys. I'm on to my set of things right now, but I can't make my baby come home and wait for dinner. Well, if he had to, then if it was the worst case scenario and he had to, he wouldn't have a choice. But I don't like when he come home from school tired and have to wait on dinner. I like when he just goes straight away and eat some, whipping up something in the fastest 15 minutes. I take the easiest thing that I could think of, which he like, and that's shrimp, and I put some rice in the rice cooker, and I'm just gonna whip this up right now and get ready. Just throw Sarah in the carrier and head out. It's not easy packing for 4 people and attending to a newborn and taking care of myself at the same time. I came to the kitchen, warm up lunch, eat, made a smoothie for snack, and just keep going and going, and I can feel my energy just slowly fading away, like literally. Sarah is in her bed, just in her bassinet, just right behind me. She gave me a moment to cook, so I'm taking full control of that. So I'm just whipping up some shrimp in oyster sauce, which the family love, until Tyler, and then I go pick up Ty. I'm having a rough day, y'all. I'm just tired. Why am I using oil and not olive oil? See, my head is even going. My kitchen is a mess. Everything I used to make smoothie, the lettuce that I cut up from lunch, the eggshell from breakfast, my dirty juicer from green juice this morning, everything is just, my kitchen is just a mess. But that's real life, innit? When I finish packing my stuff, I'll tidy the kitchen. But right now, this what's up. That's what's up, y'all. Okay guys, just like that, just in time to go get my boy at school. Shrimp done, rice done, dinner is ready, and we are ready. You ready to go get brother? Ready to go get brother? You ready to go get brother with your red cheeks? You ready to go get brother? Let's go.